Hello everybody. So for everybody who was asking what my next project was, I was thinking it was going to be something else, but it's this, my remote control lawnmower. Remember the wiper motors? And I made it work and was getting some grief about it not going fast enough because I had the gearing reversed. So I got to thank Cruise for getting me an electric wheelchair, and I took the motors off, and now I'm just getting everything mocked up and tack welded in place. And this side's going to be a little bit different because it's got the adjustment right here for how high it cuts the grass. I like to keep that. I've got it on the front, so I want to keep that here on the back too. I just got to figure out how far out I need to go. And let me get my awesome little holder here. That is like perfect. Right there, that is perfect. Look at that. But I gotta get that off, pull these out. And I cut the brackets off of the wheelchair. With my grinder, which finally died. Yep, it finally bit the dust, and I had to go down to Harbor Freight and get another one. So in like another 5 years, I'll go down and get another grinder. I mean, that's really not bad for a Drill Master $16 grinder to last, 5 years, 5 or 6 years. Not bad at all. So instead of going and spending $100 or more on another grinder, I just went down and bought another Drill Master. It's a little underpowered, but it gets the job done. I guess I do work it pretty hard, but not as hard as some other people. Alright, so this side is going to be a little bit different and a little bit more tricky. Whoa! You see, I still haven't gotten that all done yet. So that is definitely going to be a problem. Where's the fix-it-all? Right here.